Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is brought to you by Divaswigs. So they sent me this very pretty curly bob here, and I'll have all the specs and everything in the description box for you guys if you're interested in knowing those. So what I did was I did bleach the knots on this wig, and it had two combs on the far right and left side, but I cut those out and replaced it with some elastic. I used the 1.5 inch elastic because I feel like it just feels like it has a more secure fit on your head. And if you are interested in purchasing, you know, that particular elastic that I use, I'll put a link in the description box. But of course you can find it at your local Hobby Lobby or craft stores. It also has a comb in the middle and adjustable straps and a comb in the back. It came with lace in the back as well, but I cut it off. So I do have product in this wig. To wash it, I used the Aussie conditioner, and then I put the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner and just kind of scrunched it, and that's pretty much it. But I think I'm gonna get my spray bottle and just put a little bit more. Yeah, just put a little bit of spray on it. But this curl pattern is very, very pretty.
You need an apple bum, you gotta put me on.
Got to be glued freeze spray to adhere this down. And this is not, I'm just gonna say this because there's a lot of people who are new to my channel. This is not like hardcore glue. If you spray this on your lace, it's gonna, you know, have you secure, but it's a temporary fix. It won't last for like weeks on end. I take my wigs off every night, so all I have to do is spray some water on my lace, saturate it, and then it'll start to loosen up, and then you can take it off. I don't feel like it's damaging for your edges, but if you just pull this off or pull it off your head without using water, you're gonna damage your edges. So just be careful when you're doing that. And I do my spray on top of the lace. I used to do it underneath, but it's just easier to just spray on top of the lace. And I feel like you're using less product because you know how much, exactly where you want the spray to go. Like, I don't even put, if I'm doing a flip over look, I'm not gonna secure this side down unless with like a bobby pin or something, but I'm not gonna really use the spray on that side because I know it's gonna be covered with hair. Human hair curly wigs are just so much easier for me than like any other texture because you don't have to use any hot tools. Once you use the right products to make the curl pattern pop and everything, you're pretty much done with styling. That's why I love curly human hair wig so much. The lace on this wig is light brown, which is a great color match for my complexion. The scarf on, and once this lace has, you know, dried and everything, I'm going to put some product in the hair just to give it more style, and I might define the part, but we'll see what needs to be done.
put me on.
Alright guys, so I am back and I have finished applying and styling this curly bob from Divaswigs, and I originally was gonna wear it as a side part, and I usually wear my curly wigs as a side part, but I couldn't get it to look how I wanted it to look. So I decided to mold it to a middle part, and I feel like it looks very good as a middle part. But what I do notice is it's more asymmetrical when you wear it as a middle part. So my left side is shorter than the right side, and you can really see that angle that they put in it, which is very cute. As I told you guys, I do prefer human hair curly wigs over like any other texture of human hair wigs, just because it's so easy to style and it doesn't require any hot tools or anything to make it look nice. All you need is just a few products, and once you put those products in the hair, it makes the curls pop. So put some of this, I use my spray bottle, and this is a continuous flow spray bottle, so you're not constantly, you know, doing that with your hands. And I'll put a link to where you can find this in the description box on Amazon. That's where I picked up mine. So I just spray the hair down with that, and then put some of this leave-in conditioner in my hand, and this is what it looks like now. This is about 90% dry, so this is how it's gonna stay for the rest of the day. It's gonna look like this. Yeah, so I did tweeze the hairline. The hairline actually looked pretty decent, like right outside the box. So if you're somebody that doesn't know how to customize your wig, or you don't want to have to do that, you don't have to do that. But I really want to make my hairlines look the best that they can look, so I did tweeze the hairline. As far as shedding goes, I do have shedding because I did tweeze the hairline, but it's not that bad. I'm not gonna get that much tangling right away because, first of all, it's human hair. It's gonna tangle a little bit the more that I wear it, but definitely on the first day for the initial review, I don't have any tangling. Yeah, so overall, my initial thoughts, I think this is just a very cute style. Usually when I review curly wigs, the only time I have issues with certain companies is when the frontal sheds a lot, even before I bleach the knots or anything. But I'm not having any issues with this wig so far. So if you are interested in this particular wig, I'll have links in the description box for you guys. And if I have any coupon codes or anything like that, they will be down below as well. I want to thank Divaswigs for sending me this wig to review for you guys. And I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications. So you guys will be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.